The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Hagasing sedang iya ki inni arpau nyau terik de workshop wai pen unya ki trok wakit simen wakalingka ki wawan nakathan is jain the hill district wada khut pen man da kaseng ki tri trok ki waya atrong wa em hapo kalama yong ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association jain tia unit ha usrok jawai bypass ha ibenta ka sumer mi mentedu ne liang ki waya akmat wakit khot na po ka central body le da wan hir ki hagani ka thau wo i ikirchan yagani ki yakhi General Secretary ke Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Drivers Association Central Body Upetar Marbanyang hawa kalam ongu wagani ke yaki yongki to du wo dawa ye hok nagi company wa pen mi khandau bilan wo to usu bai kit bai ba ki hedor wo biang kat kam ka dor sarkar unto wo em dau ki wagi bor district ongu waki mandon hi ki kam ki wakit wa ba yaki mar yong ki company ne bha wa de elut chaki wa mo wa ding wa simen wa thau kam te hei sekhiat ki wan to o e usu gi hedor wo biang khnang yu ya imlang heju ipor pentip ki walada ki company mwan gi da ki hi uya kalam ya pen bai ye dor imur hagani ka thau upten chu ki ye yakhi hadu ka maman katte yakhi ka sen Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association dang patani wene liang gi bor polit ka West Giant Hill District le dang emlang gi hagani ka thau
Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association Jentia unit bala mission kya namanta kanika longti ke pamanta ba hakani kasni kan kolong ka strike te ni nakaliang ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association jang central body iwan bat ni an sim kini ki Jentia unit kani ka strike jingsha ni ndan ni bat ka district administration iwan hakani ka nongrim bani karing ya kani ka company cement and ka company ba kin ai ni ka dor ka mabiak kamdan ge bat ka administration iwan ni company one strike ibu kan nongrim ka strike nama taki cement bat ki kalengka di nakaliam jungi ka jenje unit ka lapan create ibu ka strike kanun ka strike ka long indefinite ada umwan hakami jingi kalengki company ki haban wan bale kitu idei tong kinong kinong ba nimde ye ki idei tong kinong ba jom ki mar su di ni ka ni ong hiru maka sarkaru kan kala dondo transportation ka sarkar kadiban ai ta ka government rate so that di bari audio trip news kum jungi kinyo ay kador bahok bat kinyo pala ikit ya ba na banta kari bar ka jak pendri jungi ni na kalyang ka truck owner and driver association ni ka par retro ni ki parado khat jungi kisim banta kani hadu ka jinjo ka nongrim ini penting ni tong kinong ba ta ba mundon i bat no banu nakaliang ka da district administration mundon i wa tong kit ka ba jungi bagi yo hok nila ailot bat mau bat ding bat simen bat jaka nila ailot iki ringi di tongkit nong kim ai dingin nak yang juga commercial truck driver association MCTOD dekat partner bah kimso bah bakin yawan lang bani penbet bani bakin ai bal lebih hak kedua kapalong jenuit maka kum kagak kaya ke sarkar ka grip jumlah sarkar kum tangin ya